Officers responding to a stolen vehicle call in Chicago corner 3 juveniles in a residential backyard on West 21st Street. What they find when backup arrives stops everyone cold.
I have 2 in the backyard right now.
His name is Clarkton Dale Potts. Screaming.
On the stomach now! On your stomach now!
Please.
Do not look at me! Where's the third one?
He over there.
Stand by. Got 2 pruned out there complying. I'm getting you an address. Stand by. Do not look at me. Get on the ground. Do not look at me.
My mama.
Do not look at me. Stay on the ground. You're in there? Get over here now. Get over here now. Go. Just get on the ground. Stand by. I got all 3 now. Stand by.
I'm gonna get.
3865 West 21st. Don't be reaching.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you come on?
3865 West 21st Street. 3 black juveniles pruned out. They are complying. Everyone show me your hands. You in the gray, show me.
What officers didn't know when they drew down on these suspects was who they were actually looking at. The stolen vehicle had been flagged moments earlier, but the people inside were not the hardened criminals the call suggested.
Your hands. Just lay on the ground. Just lay on the ground.
You got my mom.
3865 West 21st. I have 3.
Please. What's up? Please. Please don't hurt us. You call my mom?
We'll call parents in a second. You guys are doing good. Thank you for complying. Once I get all the units here, we'll detain everybody and we'll figure everything out.
Going to jail?
We're not going to jail right now. You're going to be detained, okay? Just keep on complying.
We need some more people that be in.
3865, it's at the middle of an intersection. There's a Jeep in the driveway with a white Kia. There's a white Jeep that just stopped in front of it.
Please help me. No!
You're right in front of it.
No, please. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me. I do, Mommy.
Re-detained.
Please don't hurt me.
Okay. I got it.
Please don't hurt me.
I have a knock check.
No.
Hey, stop talking. Don't reach for anything. Put that down.
Please don't hurt me.
Hey, stop. Stop your crying. You should have thought about that before you got in that car.
I'm sorry, sir, please.
Okay, well, stop crying. You see anybody else crying?
No, I just want my mom.
Stay off your phone for a minute. I don't care. Stay off your phone.
Stay right there. Re-detained. Slow it down. We're in front of 20. We're on West 21st. Go south on 21st from Denison, halfway down. No, you can't call anybody. You can't answer anybody.
Yeah, I got it all in there.
Do you have any gun? Does anybody have any guns on you?
No, I don't tow guns.
Do you have any guns on you? What's your name? Take that off.
I got a shot in my head already. I don't tow guns.
You got a gun with you?
We don't tow guns.
Stand up. You don't tow guns, you just got, hold on, don't reach for anything. Hey,
I'm just
hold on, relax.
This is my first time in the park.
Well, I can tell by the way that you drove. You suck at driving. Stand up. Second. Hey, stop talking. Is anybody else crying?
Oh, I don't want my mommy, but
Face the fence. Your mommy ain't gonna help you now.
I'm gotta laugh.
That was real funny, ain't it?
Let's
go. Real funny, ain't it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's what I thought. It's not funny. All right. How old are you? You're 12 years old. Stealing cars? What the hell's wrong with you?
Who wants two?
CPD's en route.
You want me to put one in,
Yeah.
one of your other guys will come up?
Yeah.
You check him.
Hey, buddy, come here. I don't know if you guys patted him on or not. You have anything on you? No. You guys have any weapons?
You only got $1 in this? Who's this? Is this yours? Is this yours?
No.
Who did I take this from?
My phone.
This one and this one?
Yeah, you didn't get your phone. Sit down.
Whose is this one? Okay. Mom, you are a clever racer. Is that your phone? Is this your $1? Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in your pocket, alright?
Well, man, how old are you?
11.
Hey, well, I wasn't too far off when I said 10, huh?
No, not at all. Okay. Alright. Let's do this.
Can I get it back over my phone?
Nope.
The 3 juveniles detained that evening were 11, 12, and reportedly one other minor, stopped after fleeing in a stolen vehicle in Chicago's West Side. They are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. But here's what's hard to shake after watching this. At what point does a kid decide that stealing a car is the move? Not out of nowhere. That decision has a whole life behind it. Because the officers on scene weren't dealing with criminals who'd calculated the risk. They were dealing with children who didn't understand what guns pointed at them even meant yet. And that's the part that doesn't leave you. Illinois law is clear. A minor who takes a vehicle without consent can face auto theft charges regardless of age, with juvenile court jurisdiction kicking in under 17. But the law catching up to an 11-year-old isn't the end of the story. It's barely the beginning of whatever's already gone wrong. The officer asks, "What's wrong with you?" And it sounds like frustration. But watch her face. It isn't anger. It's something closer to exhaustion. Because she's done this before. And she already knows this probably won't be the last time she sees one of these kids. So the real question isn't what happens to them tonight. It's what was already happening before any of this started, and who, if anyone, is going to ask that question once the cameras turn off.